Welcome to the ACES Health Podcast. I'm Dr. J.D. Yang, and here we explore health and healing through the lens of anatomy, chemistry, energy, and soul. The model grounded in science, humanity, and wisdom. Today's episode is all about molecule you have likely heard of if you follow anti-aging or longevity research, NMN, short for nicotinamide mononucleotide. What is it? Does it work? Is it legal? Is it safe? And should you take it? Let's examine the science and the reality behind this so-called longevity molecule and see where it fits in the ACES framework of whole person care. Let's start simple. NMN is a compound that your body makes naturally. It is part of the pathway that creates NAD+, a coenzyme essential for life. NAD+ is involved in energy production, ATP generation in mitochondria, DNA repair via enzymes like PARP and sirtuins, metabolism regulation, and cell survival under stress. But here's the problem. NAD+ decline with age by up to 50% by age 50, and even more after that. That's why researchers and biohackers became interested in restoring NAD+ using precursors like NMN. NMN is one step away from NAD+. It's likely giving your body the parts it needs to make energy and repair itself. But does take NMN really work? What happens when real people like you or me take it daily? The early excitement came from mouse studies. Mice lived longer, had a better brain and heart function, even reversed diabetes. But in the last few years, we have seen a surge of human trials. Let's walk through what we know. Study 1, liposomal NMN. That's a study in 2025, randomized, double-blinded, which is gold standard for drug study. Men over 40 took 350 milligrams of liposomal NMN daily for 4 weeks. Results: NAD+ rose sharply, more than with regular NMN. For weeks after stopping, NAD+ level remained high. This shows that liposomal delivery improves absorption and retention. The second study, which is a meta-analysis done in 2024, across 9 trials, 412 adults aged from 40 to 80. NMN boosted their muscle strength and walking speed, reduced the liver enzymes like ALT, enhanced insulin sensitivity in pre-diabetics. Another study for aging adults from 65 to 75 years old in a 12-week trial, just 250 milligrams a day. People walked faster, slept better, and reported more energy. So very important that no side effects was observed. The fourth study looked at the higher dose trial, which is 300 to 900 milligrams a day. Then we discovered blood NAD+ rose dose dependently. That means the higher the dose you take, the higher level NAD+ become. So 600 milligrams a day hit the sweet spot, improved 6 minutes walk distance, better sense of vitality and safety. So the 600 milligrams a day is a sweet spot. So in short, NMN is effective, especially in older or pre-diabetic individuals. Benefits include better energy, metabolism, physical performance, and even sleep. So, how much NMN should you take? From the data, we can outline a sensible dosage strategy. 250 to 300 milligram a day proved to be safe, modest NAD plus boost, good for beginners. As far as 500 to 600 milligram a day, ideal range for measurable performance and metabolic improvements, up to 900 milligram per day, which is still safe, but likely diminishing returns unless you are under supervision. Some trials even used a single dose of 1,200 or 2,000 milligram without harm, but those aren't long-term studies. It's also worth noting that fasting, exercise, and saunas naturally boost NAD+. NMN works best when paired with lifestyles. Then the question is NMN legal? What does the FDA say? Here's where it gets political. In late 2022, the FDA reversed the course of NMN. Why? Because NMN was apparently being studied as a drug before it entered supplements market. That means NMN is not currently legal as a dietary supplement in the US on the FDA regulations. However, no ban was enforced. Many companies still sell it online under medical supervision or as a research use only. What does this mean for you? You can still legally buy NMN, but you are relying on third-party lab testing and company integrity. Look for HPLC purity testing, liposomal forms for absorption, clean supply chain, ideally from Japan, Switzerland, or FDA-registered labs. So, where can you buy NMN safely? Some reputable brands include DoNotAge.org, Renew by Science, Pro Health Longevities, Farms, and so on and so forth. I have no relationship with these companies except AIMED. That's the NMN I have manufactured in the United States for my friends and families. So let's return to the big picture. In the ACEs model, NMN lives primarily in the chemistry domain. It nourishes your biochemistry, your ND plus cycles, and your mitochondria. But it also supports your energy domain, better resilience, sleep, mood, and focus. That said, it won't fix structural problem, anatomy, emotional blockage, energy, spiritual disconnection, soul. For true health transformation, NMN must be part of a broader protocol. Functional lab testing, breath and sleep optimization, nutrients-rich, unprocessed food, and soul cultivation through meditation, faith, and meaning. NMN is not a miracle pill, but it may be a valuable tool. Let me share a quick example. A 68-year-old patient came to me with chronic fatigue, borderline diabetes, and restless sleep. We corrected her gut health, supported her liver, adjusted her food timing, and added 300 milligram NMN daily. After 3 months, her fasting glucose dropped 15 points. She walked 1,000 more steps every day without noticing, and said, I feel like I got 10 years back. Was it just NMN? No, but it helped amplify her experience. So what do we know? NMN is biologically powerful and clinically promising. Study shows improved metabolism, performance, and sleep. Doses between 300 and 600 milligrams a day are ideal. FDA is limiting its classification, but you can still obtain it. NMN must be part of the whole person care, not a shortcut. At the ACEs Well, we help people like you apply science with wisdom. If you want to explore a NMN protocol tailored to your chemistry, energy, and soul, visit aceswell.com and speak with ACEs certified provider. And if you enjoy this episode, subscribe, share with someone you care about, and let us know what you like us to explore next. Until then, I'm Dr. J.D. Yang. See you next time.